Hi, I'm Robert Dobson with Automotive Dent Solutions here in Concord, North Carolina. Today we're on site with a customer who has a 2004 Jeep Grand Cherokee who just recently had a complete brand new paint job. Unfortunately, a ladder or some object fell into the quarter panel, causing damage. So we're here today to restore this vehicle back to its original condition. So here's the damage, guys. Pretty decent sized area. You can tell there's the impact point, so something sharp definitely hit it. We'll get started on this and bring this thing back to life. We're about 80-85% complete with this repair here, so let's take a look. As you can see, we have a bulk of the dent pushed out. Still have impact point I still need to finish up. Otherwise, it's coming along nicely. We'll come back when it's all done. All finished up with this repair. Everything turned out great and the customer was very happy. So please feel free to give us a call at 704-791-8652 or visit us online at automotivedentsolutions.com. We would be glad to handle any of your dent repair needs. Thanks for watching.